Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and my channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a great lifestyle. Today's video is going to be a decorate with me. It's going to be how I made over this entire area that you're seeing in front of you for, guess what, lifestyle lovers? $0. I spent absolutely nothing to make over this area. And I did it by simply taking other decor from other areas in my home and simply moving it in here. I pulled some things from the garage that I was not using, and it had simply been stored away, but I did not spend any money redoing this area. So if you're interested in how I transform this area on a zero budget, then keep watching. Now, the first thing we want to do, lifestyle lovers, before we start redecorating is we want to clean. So right now I am removing everything from the area, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the table, dust the console table, wipe all of the decor down, and then I'll get started. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I am using a Swiffer duster to simply wipe my table down. This is how Z Gallery have advised me to clean it. They have advised me to not add any type of liquid to it. So that is how I clean it, by simply dusting it down with a dry cloth. I have removed all of the artwork from the wall off camera. This is going to be pretty easy to bring in the new artwork because simply I have most of the hardware that's needed already attached to the wall. The new color that is going to be in this area, lifestyle lovers, is like a sapphire blue, as well as a navy blue. So I'm switching from the cerulean to the blue. All of these items was in my upstairs loft area, so I am not going to go through any decor details in this video, but I will link a video to where these items were decorated previously. That way, if you have any questions as to where to purchase these items, they will be in that linked video. Although the hardware was already attached to the wall, lifestyle lovers, this particular artwork was not measured for this space. So I did struggle a little bit, but as you continue to watch, you will see that I figured it out. Once I did the measurements for the new wall art that I'm placing on the wall, lifestyle lovers, everything went a lot more smoothly. So as a rule of thumb, when you're redecorating, do your measurements. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I have many breakables throughout my home, but I always want a little extra securement. So I am going to use this museum putty that I purchased from Amazon to secure the vases that are on the console table. It's not gonna prevent something from being completely knocked over, but it will help as a little extra securement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a small amount on the bottom of the vase and press it down, and it's supposed to be, you know, safe for any of your decor tables as well as your vases and breakables. And I will place the link to this museum putty in the description bar if you want to try it out. Everything was running smoothly until this happened. Oh, Jesus. God damn it. Crap. No, we're not doing that. Oh, no. Okay, y'all, in the midst of me filming the room tour, my camera dropped. It wasn't a hard fall, but this is what it's doing now. It says lens error, will shut down, automatically restart camera. If you can tell, the lens, it looks like it was knocked out of place. So this is a $600 camera, but thankfully I purchased insurance. I purchased insurance on everything. So hopefully it'll be able to get fixed. I may try to continue to film on my iPhone, which is what I'm recording on now, because I have a tripod for that. I just have to find it and locate it because I'm almost done. I'm just going to put the panels up. As you can see, I placed one up, but it's coming off kind of dark, kind of too dark. I don't know, but I'm going to place the other panel up, and I may try to finish filming on my iPhone, which, you know, it does pretty good as long as the lighting is good. But yeah, y'all, I messed my camera up. I hope it's not too bad. That's life. Life happens, but regardless, we just got to continue to push through and move forward. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to finish filming the video and then I'll show you the end result. But this is the finished look in the kitchen. Here are the panels, which I'm not loving. I think I may go with a lighter color, and they need to be steamed. So I may or may not do that today. But yeah, that's the entire setup, which I'm loving everything. And the museum putty, guys, now if something hits your breakables hard enough, of course it's not going to stop it from breaking, but it does give it kind of some traction. If you notice, this is not moving. Well, you know, it's moving a little bit, but it's just to help secure your breakables a little better. But it doesn't work at like super glue. But if you have breakables in like questionable places, then the museum putty is great for that. And this is all we have on the table for right now. Okay, lifestyle lovers, that's pretty much it for today's video. I thank you for coming back for another video. Back to filming on my iPhone I go until I get my camera fixed. I have already filed the claim, but it looks like I'm going to have to ship it off in order to get repaired. So in the meantime, I'll be filming on my iPhone. Have a great week.